When I was young, I used to work with an FMCG company. I have 4 kids. There are a lot of challenges. So I had to look for a better job with better earnings. Somebody told me na there's an opportunity abroad. I moved to Dubai. Dala-dala ko yung mga anak ko, 4 of them with my wife. I'm already a senior, no, 68 years old. My wife is 67. We came back here for the purpose of retiring, no, and then we thought of doing something. Nag-work si Macy's, nag-work din ako, may Airbnb business. We are proud of ourselves as couple, no, that we were able to overcome all the challenges as parents. We were able to support them and then send them to school and be successful in life. May family na rin sila. We don't oblige them to support us financially, so we are doing this independently on our own, earning our own money, our own income, and spending it with my wife. It's a peace of mind. No? Hindi kami nag-worry because we're confident na nung pagpapalaki namin sa kanila, we know that they can do the same thing that we did when we were in abroad.